Ito po yung DTF namin dito sa Tugigaraw na nagamit ng 6 na araw na may total meters na 16. Ito naman ang printer head. Ito naman yung capping. Head clean. Nozzle check. Punasan ang wiper after head clean and nozzle check. Andito naman yung ink tank area. Ang ink system level is tama lang. Dito naman yung waste tank na nalinis noong kahapon. AVR na may 220 volt and ground wire. Andito naman yung stock namin ng used ink, unused, DTF film, and DTF powder. Ito naman ang records na nagamit sa Cyan. Magenta, yellow, black, white, and powder. Daily output and daily checklist.